students, how are you beta? Hope you are fit and fine students. Yes students, today we are going to deal with the third chapter of our English literature book, and the name of that poem is Leisure. Okay, the name of the poem is Leisure and it's written by W.H. Davies. Yes dear students, first of all just tell me, do you know the meaning of leisure? Do you know beta? Yes students, it means free time. Okay, leisure means free time. So students, just discuss pre-reading task. Okay students, tell me, what do you do in free time? Now students, you are almost free, है ना? So how can we spend our time students? How can we utilize our time in the best way? By doing some activities, है ना? So what do you do students in free time? You can say I work on my computer in free time. I play tennis in free time, like this. Okay students, so we should utilize our free time. We should not waste it beta. Now let's move on to the second part students. List at least 5 things that you want to do but cannot do because of lack of time. Lack of time means students because of shortage of time. Okay students, here students you have to write down 5 things that you want to do but cannot do because of shortage of time. Suppose students, we can say I cannot do swimming practice because of lack of time. I cannot join dance classes because of lack of time. Like this students, you have to write down here 5 things as per your choice students. Okay, write down here 5 things that you want to do but cannot do because of lack of time. Okay students, now let's discuss third part students. Do you enjoy the fast and hectic life, means busy life of a metro city, or the slow and peaceful village life far away from a city? Yes students, as per your choice you can choose, है ना students? You can choose fast and hectic life of a metro city or slow and peaceful village life. But students, I would like to live the slow but peaceful village life, or we can say peaceful life that is far away from a city. Yes students, let's move on to the fourth part. Make a list of at least 5 places, hill stations, okay, that you would like to visit. Here students, you have to write down names of 5 hill stations, okay, that you would like to visit. Suppose students, we can write down Shimla, Darjeeling, Kulu Manali, Kashmir, okay, Nainital, whatever you like students. Okay, wherever you want to go, you can write down the name of that place here, that hill station's name. Okay students, and last students, why would you like to go to these places students? As students, we can say I would like to visit these places because all these places are quite peaceful and beautiful. And students, these all places are quite peaceful and beautiful. And students, I would like to spend few days far from the city in these beautiful places. Hope students it's clear to you, and now you can complete all the pre-reading tasks. Now students, let's start with the poem. Okay students, let's start.
Let's recite the poem first of all students. What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and steer. No time to stand beneath the boughs and steer as long as sheep or cows. No time to see when woods we pass, where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. No time to see in broad daylight streams full of stars like skies at night. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. A poor life, this, if full of care. We have no time to stand and stare.
What is this life if full of care? We have no time to stand and stare. Stare का मीनिंग स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है? A fixed look. Okay, एकटक देखते रहना. Yes, students, the poet wants to say that we don't have time to enjoy the beauties of nature. And why? Because life has become so fast, so hectic, students, that people have no time to enjoy the beauties of nature. He says also, students, that there is no time for us to stand and look upon anything. No time to stand beneath. Beneath का मीनिंग स्टूडेंट्स क्या होता है? Under. Okay. No time to stand beneath the boughs. Bough का मीनिंग स्टूडेंट क्या होता है? Branch of tree. Okay. And stare as long as sheep or cows. Yes, students, he wants to say that there is no time for us to stand and look upon anything, and we don't have any time to see the forests, the animals. Okay, we don't have any time to see the forest, the animals hiding and playing there. And students, we don't have any time also to see the beauties of nature that are scattered around us. But students, it is a pity that we have no time to enjoy them. We have no time. We have no time, students, to stand under a shady tree and stare lazily like cows and sheep. बेटा cows और sheep की तरह हमारे पास इतना free time नहीं है that we can stand under a shady tree and enjoy the beauty of nature. No time to see when woods means forests. Okay. No time to see when woods we pass where squirrels hide. Squirrels क्या होते हैं बेटा? गिलहरी. Where squirrels hide their nuts in grass. Yes, students, poet wants to say that when we pass through woods or when we pass through forest, we have no time, beta, to see where squirrels hide their nuts in grass, or we can say we don't have any time to see the forest, the animals hiding and playing there, even if we are passing through them, students. He also says, students, that we don't have time to see the streams which are full of stars in the daytime, just like the skies are full of stars in the night. Or we can say, students, we have no time to see how rivers shimmer under sunlight and the surface of the river reflects the sunlight and it appears, students, as if it is a star-studded sky. Yes, students, you can see in the picture also. देखिए स्टूडेंट्स, जब सनलाइट जो है वाटर पे रिफ्लेक्ट करती है, उसके ऊपर पड़ती है स्टूडेंट्स, तो वो बहुत शाइन करता है वाटर. यू कैन सी इन द पिक्चर ऑल्सो कि सनलाइट जब पानी पे पड़ रही है बेटा, वो बहुत रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है और वो रिफ्लेक्ट कर रहा है स्टूडेंट. तो बट वी कैन से कि वो कैसा लग रहा है, जैसे स्टार्स आ गए हो, बहुत सारे स्टार्स उस स्ट्रीम के अंदर, उस रिवर के अंदर बहुत सारे स्टार्स आ गए हो. जैसे कि नाइट में स्टार्स हमें दिखते हैं ना बेटा स्काई में, वैसे ही सेम स्टूडेंट्स रिवर में अब क्या लग रहा है कि बहुत सारे स्टार्स हैं. ओके, इट अपीयर्स एज इफ इट इज अ स्टार स्टडीड स्काई, है ना. So students, the poet wants to say, but we don't have any time to enjoy these scenes of nature, this beauty of nature. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. Now student, what do you mean by glance? It means quick look. Okay, बिल्कुल जल्दी जल्दी देखना किसी चीज को. Glance, quick look. No time to turn at beauty's glance and watch her feet how they can dance. No time to wait till her mouth can enrich that smile her eyes began. और enrich का meaning students क्या होता है? To adorn, to decorate. Okay, students, the poet wants to say that we are indifferent to beauties of nature. Beauty spreads smile around us. Okay, students, beauty spreads smiles around us. But students, unfortunately, we are in such a hurry. हम हमेशा students इतनी जल्दी में रहते हैं. We are in such a hurry that we cannot even enjoy its rich smile. कि हम जो है इसके rich smile को, beauty की rich smile को बेटा enjoy नहीं कर सकते हैं. We are in such a hurry that we cannot even enjoy its rich smile. He says, students, that we don't have time to look at nature's beauty. We don't have time to see the happiness that prevails in nature. A poor life, this, if full of care, we have no time to stand and stare. Yes, student, the poet says that we are leading a poor life. What he says? That we are leading a poor life if we are leading a life like this. Means life like this means in which students we don't have any time.
I hope all of you have understood this poem well. Now read it once again and then students try exercise of chapter number 3. Okay students, that's all for today. Thanks and have a nice day.